Alright, so today we are going to make a Marauder's map, and we're really just going to have you use your paper bags from last week. We actually have a little piece of craft paper. If you have brown paper at your house or you have a big brown paper bag, you're going to cut it up. If your bag has gotten crumpled, that's actually even better, because the first step in this is to crumple your paper. And then you're just going to cut out whatever shape you want your map to be. You want it to be like super rectangular. If you want it to look kind of have raggedy edges. If you want it to be like the Marauder's map, just going to kind of make a little trifold thing here. Yours was really fancy. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw on our maps. You can use crayons, you can use oil pastels, you can use markers, you could even use paint. We just didn't feel like getting out the paint today. So draw whatever design you want on your map, and that's what we're going to do. And then as soon as we're done with that, we will show you how to do the invisible ink print. All right, just do that. Show yours. Well, this is much nicer. It's really good. And mine just says secret map.
Is it really secret if it's labeled secret?
I know. And then I have a little map of like my neighborhood. All right, so you have several options to do your secret messaging. You can use 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water. You mix that together really good, and then you would dip it in the solution and you can write on your map. The only downside to that is to make the secret message appear, you have to wash it with grape juice afterwards. So you're going to stain your map with grape juice. Only works once, but it's an option. You can do the same thing with some lemon juice and just put that on your map, and then you expose it to heat, and it'll come up after that. Again, you can only do it once. It only works on a one-time basis. Something that's really dependable is liquid starch. You can get this at the dollar store. If you have any kind of like whitish clothes washing stuff, you can use that as well. This works wonderful, and it will glow in the dark and work under black light. That's my favorite, believe it or not, is just from the dollar store. We have some awesome blacklight paint, so we're going to use this, but you can use any of them. The great thing about these two are that it's really hard to see once it's on here, and then you can just keep doing it over and over and over again, and your message stays secret. Okay?
Yep.
Oh, we could do that.
That's the other one.
Yeah. I'll dump these out. You don't want me to use that, so I have darker colors. Okay, we're just using Q-tips. So now we painted our secret messages. We are just waiting for them to dry, and once they dry, we can take a little black light, any black light, and you can see it's still wet, so you can see a little bit of it, but there it's starting to dry.